Welcome to Grammar Lessons from BM English Speaking.
चलिए देखते हैं चालू वर्तमान काल प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में प्रश्न कैसे फ्रेम करें. हाउ टू फ्रेम क्वेश्चंस इन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. यूनिट नंबर 4. Present continuous questions are used to talk about an action that is going on in the present. वर्तमान में कोई क्रिया जो चल रही है उसके बारे में प्रश्न पूछने के लिए चालू वर्तमान काल में प्रश्न पूछते हैं. एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग और एट द टाइम ऑफ राइटिंग. चलिए एक उदाहरण देखते हैं. द बॉय इज आस्किंग द गर्ल, वेयर आर यू गोइंग. यहां पे यू विषय है. यू इज अ सब्जेक्ट. विथ यू वी यूज आर. Since it's a question in present continuous tense, are will come before you. Where are you? With go, we'll add ing because it's a present continuous tense. Where are you going? आप कहाँ जा रही हो? I am going on a field trip. In positive statement in present continuous tense, you'll say I am plus go with an ing. I am going on a field trip. Let's understand the structure of a question in present continuous tense. Helping verb plus the subject plus the main verb plus ing and then the object. Let's look at this example. Is Sheetal working on the project? Sheetal is a subject here. Since for Sheetal we use she, with she we use is will come before she. So is the helping verb here. Work plus ing becomes V1 plus ing. On the project is an object here. When we have to frame a question using WH words, who, where, when, whose, then the WH word will be the first word, then the helping verb, then the subject, plus verb with an ing. Example, where are you going? Where is the WH word, are is the helping verb, you is the subject, go plus ing becomes going. Let's summarize the grammar rule. Am is used before I, is used before he, she, it, are is used before you, we and they, and then the verb with an ing. Example, am I dreaming? Is he dreaming? Is she dreaming? Is it dreaming? Are you dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are they dreaming? Let's look at some more examples. We studied in positive present continuous tense statements. I am wearing smart casuals. He is exercising on the treadmill. Prem is exercising on the treadmill. With he we use is. She is attending the workshop. Asha is attending the workshop. The microwave is working properly. It is working properly. With it we use is. Work plus ing becomes working. We are circulating the agenda. With we use are. Circulate plus ing becomes circulating. You are circulating the agenda. You are planning for the future. तुम भविष्य की तैयारी कर रहे हो. With you we use are. Plan plus ing becomes planning. You are planning for the future. The kids are playing chess. The kids means they. With they we use are in present continuous tense. Play plus ing becomes playing. The kids are playing chess. चलिए अब देखते हैं चालू वर्तमान काल में प्रश्न कैसे बनेंगे. For example, I am wearing smart casuals becomes am I wearing smart casuals? Am will come before I. Wear plus ing becomes wearing. क्या मैंने smart casuals पहने हुए हैं? Is Prem exercising on the treadmill? क्या प्रेम ट्रेडमिल पर एक्सरसाइज कर रहा है? For Prem we use he. With he we use is. Is will come before he because we are framing a question. Exercise plus ing becomes exercising. Is Prem exercising on the treadmill? Asha is attending the workshop is a statement in present continuous tense which is positive. If we have to make it interrogative or a question, then is will come before Asha. Is she attending the workshop? Is Asha attending the workshop? The microwave is working properly is a positive statement in present continuous tense. Is the microwave working properly? Is a question in present continuous tense. Is the microwave working properly? The microwave, we use it. Is it working properly? Let's look at questions with are. With we use are. We are circulating the agenda is again positive statement in present continuous tense. But if we have to ask a question, we'll say, are we circulating the agenda? With we use are. Are will come before we because we are framing a question in present continuous tense. Circulate plus ing becomes circulating. Are we circulating the agenda? You are planning for the future is positive. Are you planning for the future is a question. With you we use are. Are will come before you. Plan plus ing becomes planning. Are you planning for the future? क्या तुम भविष्य की तैयारी कर रहे हो? With they we use are. The kids are playing chess. Again, that's a positive statement in present continuous tense. Are the kids playing chess? So are will come before they. Are they playing chess? Are the kids playing chess? Let's look at some examples at the time of speaking. Are you traveling? Yes, I am. Please call me later. With you we use are. Are will come before you because it's a question in present continuous tense. Travel plus ing becomes traveling. Are you traveling? क्या आप सफर कर रहे हो? Yes, I am. Is the sun shining? For the sun, the pronoun that we use is it. With it we use is. Is it shining? Is the sun shining? This becomes a question in present continuous tense. Why are you leaving early? तुम जल्दी क्यों जा रहे हो? I have to appear for an interview. With you we use are. Are will come before you in a present continuous question. Since it's a WH question, why will be the first word in this question. Why are you leaving early? I have to appear for an interview. Are you preparing herbal tea? Yes, I am. Again, with you we use are. Are will come before you because we are framing a question. Prepare plus ing becomes preparing. Are you preparing herbal tea? He says, yes, I am. Let's look at some examples at the time of writing. Are we meeting? The answer is yes, we are. I will confirm by SMS. With we use are. Are will come before we. Are we meet plus ing becomes meeting. So this is a question in present continuous tense. क्या हम मिल रहे हैं? Are we meeting? Is Seema supervising her team members? No, she is not. She is on a coffee break. For Seema, the pronoun that we use is she. With she we use is. Supervise plus ing becomes supervising. Is she supervising her team members? No, she is not. She is on a coffee break. Are you confirming the order? Yes, I am. With you we use are. Are will come before you because we are framing a question in present continuous tense. Confirm plus ing becomes confirming. Are you confirming the order? Yes, I am. Thank you.